In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll take a spreadsheet from your computer and turn it into a structured Monday.com board you can filter, sort, and collaborate on. We'll start on the home page and work through the import flow, then fine-tune the layout so your data is easy to read and manage. First, head to your Monday.com homepage. Once you're on your main workspace view, look for the blue plus button. This button is your starting point for creating new items and boards. Go ahead and click it to open the creation menu. From the options that appear, choose Import Data. This tells Monday.com that you want to bring in information from an external file instead of building a board from scratch. Next, select Excel CSV. Monday.com supports common spreadsheet formats, and this option launches the import wizard designed for files created in Microsoft Excel. You'll now see a prompt to add your file. Click the area that says you can browse for a file and choose the Excel spreadsheet you want to import from your computer. If you have multiple tabs in your workbook, consider which sheet holds the data you need before uploading. Clean, consistent columns with a clear header row will give you the best results. After you've selected your file, proceed by clicking Let's customize your new board. This opens a preview where Monday.com interprets your spreadsheet into rows and columns. Take a moment to review what you see. If your spreadsheet had a header row, make sure the preview recognizes it as column titles rather than data. Glance through a few rows to confirm dates look like dates, numbers look like numbers, and text didn't spill into the wrong columns. This is also a good time to scan for merged cells or unusual formatting that might have caused misalignment. Now check the details to ensure everything is correct. Look for common formatting hiccups, like a column that should be a status or a date, showing as plain text. If you spot something off, adjust your spreadsheet and re-import if needed. Catching small issues early makes the board far easier to manage later. When the preview matches your expectations and the columns look right, click Next to move forward. You're ready to create the board. Click Create Board, and Monday.com will build it from the spreadsheet you just reviewed. This step converts each row in your file into an item on the board and applies the column structure you saw in the preview. In a moment, you'll land on your freshly created board, fully populated with your Excel data. To make the board easier to read, resize the item column so you can see more of each entry's title. Hover near the edge of the item column header until you see the resize handle, then drag it left or right to get the width that feels comfortable. Take a second pass to finalize the resizing so your key details are visible at a glance without constant horizontal scrolling. A clear layout helps you quickly identify priorities and spot any anomalies carried over from the spreadsheet. With the layout in place, do a quick review of the imported data to confirm it all looks right inside Monday.com. Compare a few items against your original Excel file to verify counts, names, and dates. If it all lines up, you're good to go. Finally, give your group a meaningful name. Click on the group title at the top of your items, then type in a title that reflects what this data represents, perhaps the project name, a date range, or a department. Clear group names make filtering and reporting much easier down the line. That's it. You've successfully brought an Excel file into Monday.com, customized the new board, adjusted the layout for clarity, verified the content, and named your group for easy organization. You're ready to collaborate, add automations, and keep your data current without wrestling with spreadsheets.